BNP Paribas operates in 85 countries worldwide. Thanks to the global network of BNP Paribas, our clients may raise significant financial resources for development of their business.
So, what is the key benefit of service in BNP Paribas for my company?
BNP Paribas managers in charge of corporate business are more than just professionals. Each of them majors in a specific branch of industry. That made it possible for BNP Paribas to become one of the leaders on the Ukrainian banking market.
Trade centers of the global network of BNP Paribas are united by a single information system and have access to the global customer database. It means that in whatever country your partner is, the deal will be processed within a minimum period of time. Apart from the standard package of services, our experts will also offer you tailor-made solutions, designed so as to fit your business.
So, BNP Paribas provides finance for long-term freestanding investment projects, such as construction, production, mergers and acquisitions, infrastructure. And every financing structure for the projects will be developed so as to fully respond to the needs of your business.